Hello, Peter here again, focusing on our 5th week. This is the 5th week of this 35-day meditation challenge. If you made it this far, fantastic. I'm so pleased for you. Hopefully you're building up your empirical evidence with your journal that you're taking down your notes with, and also any sensations or reoccurring bad emotions, feelings or thoughts that keep coming up that you start to see that you need to deal with. That's brilliant. Well done. It is difficult. I know this is really difficult, so keep going with it, and it'll keep coming up, and keep dealing with it. So fantastic. Now we're going to focus on a guided meditation really, but we're going to focus on who do we want to be in our life. It's a really big question. What do you actually want? It's a really big question. It's actually a question I ask in my webinar. You can watch after this video, the links below. What do you actually want? Most people say money or fame, but they're just like an end game. What do you actually want? Some people say they want money because they want to be happy, or they want money because they want to be secure, or they want money because of this, or they want fame because of this. They want to be loved or adored. And there's many people who are really rich or really famous and they're really miserable. So it's not about the money or the fame. What do you actually want? So this is really, and who do you want to be? What kind of human being do you want to be? That's another important thing. That's what we're going to be looking at today with this meditation. So again, find yourself in a nice comfortable position, straighten your back, bring your palms up, facing up, chin a little bit down, closing your eyes, and just become aware of your breath. Now we're going to focus on scanning our body again, which quite quickly now, so focusing on your face, letting all your facial muscles go. Everything starts to relax and release down your neck, your shoulders, your arms, down your back, chest, abdomen, pelvis, hips, down to your knees, down to your feet. So everything starts to relax. So keep breathing into your lower abdomen and breathing out. Now really focus on who do you want to be? Where do you want to be? So make it realistic. So realistic place of where you want to be. So simply just putting yourself in a realistic place. As I say, most people want fame or money, but what do you want to be? Some of the most famous people in the world and the richest are unhappy. So really focus on who you really want to be. Do you want to help other people? Do you want to serve other people? Do you want to be healed and live a stress-free life? Do you want to get rid of all your anxiety, your fears, your phobias? Really focus on where you want to be. Now in your mind's eye, your third eye, your visionary chakra, place yourself in a scenario of where you want to be. Surround yourself with the energy of all the things around you of where you want to be. Place yourself in that energy. Really focus on that energy and start to become that energy yourself. And once you start yourself emerging into that energy, becoming that energy, you will see that where you want to be is now attracting you to where you want to be. You're actually starting to bring that energy into your life. If it's stress or anxiety free, you're starting to be stressed, less stressed and anxiety free. You're meeting people who are stress and anxiety free, and they're seeing that you still have remnants of your stress and anxiety, and they're helping you with that. And then when you become that stress and anxiety free, you can pass that on to other people. Or if it's you want to be secure, you're starting to move into a place where the universe will look after you and you become secure. Once you become secure, it's a great building block for happiness and well-being. But really focus on the inside. Right now you are secure. There's no need to search for it. It's deep inside of you, and any problems that come up deep inside of you, you have the answer. If you want to be famous, Is that because you have a deep yearning inside of you to be loved? You are loved. You are an amazing creation. Nothing could create you with all the money and the riches in the world and all the technology in the world. Nothing could create you. You are amazing. You don't need to be famous. You have love inherently inside of you. If you want love, emanate love, and love will attract itself to you. You will meet loving human beings that would naturally come towards you. It's just so important. So really focus on where you want to be, really, really closely. Keep focusing on it and become that energy. In your mind's eye, place yourself in that position. Either a beautiful place in nature, beautiful place in your local area, with all the things that you really want around you. Place yourself in that position and trust the energy. Always trust the energy. Let go of anything that's hindering you. Now you've been focusing on all the stuff that's hindering you. Now focus on what is coming up that's stopping you being in that position that you really want to be in. Just focus on that really, really closely. You've been keeping a journal now for 28 days or more. But focus on that and just let it go. Let it go. So bring your hands up to your heart area and just start bringing your hands in as you breathe out and breathing out. Breathing in, opening up your hands. So your hands are coming in and out like billows. And just imagine you're creating that energy ball of all those thoughts that have just popped up that aren't serving you, not allowing you to become the human being that you want to be. And then just stop moving your hands, focus on that bubble. And as in the first meditation, we're going to take all of that and just let it go up into the universe. Just watch it go up through your roof, up into the sky. Watch it go up like a balloon up to the ozone layer and just cleanse. Let the ozone layer cleanse it for you. Slowly coming back down into your body. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out and a deep breath in. Hold your breath and breathing out through your teeth, leaning forward. Slowly coming back up. Whoa, how do you feel? Are you there? I hope so. Hope so. Rubbing your palms together. Rubbing your palms together. Clapping your hands 10 times. Rubbing your palms together. Energetically sweeping your face. Whoa. Yeah. I got it. Hope you have. Hope you're feeling better, feeling lighter. Become who you want to be. Become who you want to be. Deep down inside. Get it from your heart chakra. Let it come out. Your love, and then your upper chakra, your upper danjon will help you, give you the vision to help you go through it. So just refreshing the body every day. So do this for the next 7 days. Write down your experiences, write down your empirical evidence to realize that you're doing this, and come back to it. Because there's times now when I wrote down things and I come back to it and I go, wow, yeah, I've felt this already. Why am I still rediscovering it? So it's just, it keeps going with it, because our memory can get distracted with all this stress and distractions that the material world give us. So really focus on that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this 35 days. Let me know in the comments. If you want to go deeper, I've got a webinar. You can click on the webinar, go to that. It goes a bit deeper into our nature of reality. And then I have a course, or many courses that are coming up, that you can actually go deeper with all of these things. So let me know how you get on. Please do reach out to me. I love to hear from you. I love to hear your empirical evidence building. I love people progressing and becoming better human beings. Thank you for joining me. 35-day meditation challenge. You did it. Sarang Hamida. Thank you very much.